Hi guys, you would have came across these kind of images in Instagram and these look amazing, isn't it? So one thing which I like about these pictures are the light effects. So today I'll be showing you how to get these kind of light effects in your picture. So without any delay, let's get to the video. At first, create a layer and set the blending mode to overlay. Then select rectangular marquee tool and select the area where you want those rays. Now select gradient tool and apply it in the selected part. Now press Ctrl T to transform and select perspective. Adjust it. Now go to filter, select blur and choose Gaussian blur. You can adjust it as per your picture. And we are done. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more such short and useful tutorials.